when we're talking about the science of getting rich, you guys all know, I posted this in Imaginators, that you guys all know that there's, this long sentence that you say, right? And that you press a thought and into the, universe, and it permeates, pyramids, penetrates, permeates, whatever. And there's this long, long language. And so, in my meditation time, my prayer time, immediately it was just like, you need to look at that paragraph and make it yours. Okay. That was something that was given to Wallace Wattles. What is yours? Wow. So when you read that, and you start playing around with it, and you go, I could say this, or I could say this, or I could say this. So I wanted to pull it up for you guys. And I believe that I'm still not done with it. Oh, I got to go to the Imagineers. That's where I put it. All right. So let me share. Go here. If you're not part of the Imaginators, you need to be a part of the Imaginators. So this is then I'll go up here, and I posted, what I started with and then what I ended with. I like that from Corky. Boy, Matt puts a lot of stuff in there. Okay. Okay, here it is. All right. I hope you guys can see that all right. But, the old version, there's a thinking stuff from which all things are made, in which its original state permeates, penetrates, and fills the inner space of the universe. A thought in this substance produces the thing that is imagined by the thought. Man can form things in this thought, and by impressing his thought upon the formless substance, can cause the thing he thinks about to be created. How many people have been on my Zooms for a long time? I'm getting gooder and gooder at reading, right? That's something that will get gooder and gooder. So in really just focusing on it, and I did use AI. I asked AI, can we change this? Can we do this? How many people think that this right here, which for me, maybe it's not for you, but for me, it seems to be really, not only repetitive, but formless substance, words that I'm still having difficulty saying, like permeates, penetrates. This is not language that I use every day that fills the interspace. Do you guys know what I'm saying? And so now that thing there, I turn into the universe is made of energy that fills every space. Your imagination molds this energy, turns ideas into reality, and by focusing your imagination, you can create what you want. All right. Uh, it can be said simpler. I made a post on it. Is you create your future. And so if you just went to 100 people and said, hey, Scott, you do know you create your future. Uh, there'd be 99.9% of people that goes, that's just total bullshit. That's not true. Why? I don't have the relationships I want. I'm not making the money I want. My job takes up all my time. When I'm done with the job, I'm tired. I can give you a bucket list of about 100 things that I would have no clue how to create. And that's the reason for Imaginators. You know what it's like when you really, really stop, like it's weird to me that in all my personal development and all my coaching and all my videos, I realized that every time that I ever even thought of imagination, that it was all always me doing things with my wife and my kids that put smiles on their faces. And I'm done. I always see myself in a closer relationship with the master imaginator. I always see, income on the other side of income to always have. I love that statement. My mentor told me it shifted my paradigm that the definition of a budget is to make more than you can spend. I still am there. I'm still in there.